severe thunderstorm warning for Orange County until 8 p.m. At 6:55 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 24 miles northwest of Walden to 15 miles west of Port Jervis, or along a line extending from Grahamsville to 9 miles west of Milford, and moving east at 25 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Otisville, Unionville, Middletown, Montgomery, Goshen, Warwick, Gardnertown, Florida, and Chester. In addition to damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Wednesday evening for southern Connecticut until 8 p.m. for the following counties and in New York. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties and in New York.
The coastal waters forecast from Sandy to New Jersey.
All right.
Island in New York out 20 nautical miles for tonight.
All right.
10 to 15 knots will go.
Severe thunderstorm warning issued for Orange County, New York. As I'll show you right now. Right there. Oh, it's a big one. Copy and paste this to my page. But anyways, yep, there it is. Alright. The reason why there's 2 EAS is because it went on quote 35 and KZZ 31. So yeah, that's it. Alright, talk to you guys later.